What is up, guys? It's me, Grandpoo, and recording on another account because I don't remember the Grandpoo is stupid account. I remember that one. I don't remember the password. I don't remember the email. I don't remember. No, I don't. Because yeah, I haven't saved any of the information. But we'll be I can't talk today. We will be uploading on this channel from now on, right? And anyone can watch it. It will be appropriate. It will be family friendly and all that. All you ask for and everything. We'll do fun stuff, like fun people do, Know what I mean? All that stuff. No, the things that I will not tolerate on the channel is racism and racial slurs and even the bad words. I don't recommend it. And even what is it that I don't recommend? Yeah, I don't recommend any of it. Nope. Because I can just go on ahead and delete your comment. You can go ahead and cry, scream, whatever. Go take it out on outside. Go ahead. Don't care. You know what I mean? So this will be a family friendly, really good channel. All right. I'll try to make this channel the best that I can. I will try. I'll try my absolute hardest, but this takes a while. Being successful is kind of hard, man. I mean, really super duper hard. I mean, I wouldn't know what it would be like at all. I mean, that is some, yeah, straight up facts. You know what I mean? Yeah, well, I will try my best to make y'all laugh and stuff and really good jokes. I can come up with those. What would happen if the train did not land on the other side of the roof? A coof. Ha. That wasn't a good joke. I don't know. I don't know about the good jokes, man. Well, in my opinion, it was good. But if you don't think it's good, whatever. So, yeah, I mean, this is the channel. I mean, voice change due to puberty, but whatever. I don't really feel like showing human face, so Grandpoo talking with hand and stuff. I've been doing good lately. How y'all been doing? Good? That's good. That's good. That's good. You can ask any questions you want, but just as long as they're not inappropriate or too personal or anything like that at all. I mean, you know, no personal stuff. I don't know. Mm-mm. Y'all don't really know me. I mean, I'm just a dude that wants to make YouTube videos one day. I want to follow that dream, and I'm into music. I mean, my dream is music, not really YouTube, but music. I'm into that. I've listened to Spotify lately, but SoundCloud is you can't find very much on SoundCloud. I mean, Spotify is an app of where you can listen to songs with no comments, just only songs and podcasts and shows and all that. Pretty amazing. I've liked over a lot of songs. I can't think on the top of my head of how many songs, but I'm pretty sure a lot of songs. But yeah, guys, I mean, I've been doing good, all that. Yeah. Yeah, yeah. Hmm. Yeah. Hmm. Yeah. Yeah. Make sure y'all like and subscribe and turn the notifications bell all on, man. I swear. This will be a really good channel, trust me. I'll try to make this channel best as possible, you know what I mean? Yeah. Bye, guys. Peace.